Hey there guys, Kathy here with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I want to do a video. I want to show you how to get rid of these hard water spots on a bathroom glass window or shower door. So what I like to do is, vinegar is acidic and it's great at cutting grease and grime. And I like to have thieves cleaner in it as well because it also adds to shine and cleaning it up really nicely and masking the smell of the vinegar. But because vinegar is acidic, what I like to do is, this is a marble shower, so I cover it because even though it is diluted with vinegar and I also have some water in it as well, I don't want to chance vinegar on natural stone because, as you know, vinegar is acidic and it can ruin natural stone and wood. So for this area, I like to cover it up. I'm not going to spray it directly on, but I'm going to spray it on the glass. And get yourself a good scrubber. It's already wet in water. The stainless steel round ones, those are really good too. I'll post a picture of that. So just want to show you what I do. So I spray it. Some people do Dawnegar, like the Blue Dawn and vinegar water. I like the Thieves because I find that it smells better. And I already have Thieves cleaner, so might as well just use that and then just scrub. Now I'm gonna go all the way up there and I'm gonna go to that side as well, but just for filming purposes, I just want to show you this area because I am doing this with one hand. So, and like I said, you can also use one of those stainless steel scrubby things. Then after I take the solution off, I'll go over it again just with my Thieves cleaner that I use for the rest of the house that does not have vinegar in it, just to give it a nice shine, because I don't want to spray over the vinegar again, because then I'll use the regular Thieves cleaner to just clean up the marble, you know, the marble and everything down there. And wipe that off. Now you can see how that soap buildup is gone. Like I said, I'm going to spray it again with my regular Thieves bottle, which is in the other room. And then you'll see how much nice of a shine it'll give it. But see that? That soap buildup is gone. So vinegar is definitely great for cutting out grease. Thieves cleaner as well. Makes a nice little scent. Nice little solution. Add a little bit of water too if you like. You can add some essential oils as well for different scents. I have a video showing how to make it, but like I said, use caution when it's on natural stone and wood because vinegar is acidic. Thieves cleaner is not, because it has lemon oil, and lemon oil is made from the rind of the lemon, not the pulp. So as you can see, there's water spots up there because I didn't get that side. See them right there, see? But not over here where I cleaned. Actually, there's some on the other side of the glass. So I'll have to come over here on this side and the other side and clean that off as well. But on this side, the one that you saw earlier, all gone. All right, guys. Catch you guys later. Peace. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.